Hey everybody, my name is Kyle and this is KC Electrics. Hope you're having a great day. Now, many of you are probably here because you were searching the Great Guitar Build-Off of 2020. For those of you that don't know what that is, this is a competition that was set up by Ben Crow at Crimson Guitars in the UK. And basically what he decided to do was create a competition between some different YouTubers, people who build guitars on the regular, to take a Crimson guitar kit and modify it however they feel necessary and like. And then the fans would vote at the end on which guitar build was the best. Now, I really love all these guys. You know, we have people like Matt from Texas Toast Guitars, Ben Angove, you have Jimmy DeRista, Guns and Guitars, Big D Guitars, a whole bunch of great Luthers that are out there on YouTube. If you guys don't know who those are, please go research them. They're just great resources for anybody that's now getting into guitar building or just enjoys guitars, period. A lot of great resources available through them. But I have one big problem with the Great Guitar Build-Off of 2020. So far, there's really not been many guitar build videos. It's mostly been things like trash talking between Matt and Ben, or, you know, basically some videos on different hairstyles and people sending each other joke gifts, which is fine and entertaining and I like it. However, I came here as a fan for guitar builds and maybe you did too. So I decided to unofficially enter into the Great Guitar Build-Off of 2020 by entering my custom Telecaster that I'm working on currently. Here's the unfinished product right now. This is a mahogany body with a quilted maple top and a mahogany neck with a rosewood fretboard. And it's gonna have Mojo Tone quiet coils in it for the pickups. It's gonna look amazing. The grain on this quilted maple is just crazy and spectacular. You guys will really enjoy it if you're into guitars. As part of this new YouTube venture that I'm on, you know, I'm looking to share with other amateur Luthers, people that work in one-car garages. Maybe you work on the nights and weekends like I do after a regular time job, and maybe we can relate. So I wanted that to be the focus of the channel, and I thought this was a great way to start it off. So if you guys enjoy that type of content, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell for notifications in the future for videos. And you know, if there's something specific that you would like to see in future videos, please comment that down below. I love feedback. I love criticism too, if you have any. And I always want to grow and become a better person, a better content creator. And so any suggestions you guys have, I'm willing to listen and take those into consideration. So as part of that, future videos will be on more guitar builds, of course, but then also some things like maybe a shop tour, some different tool reviews, maybe some kit modifications, even how to set up a guitar for those of you that are interested, and just a lot of cool content that relates to guitars. And so, again, if you guys enjoy that, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me grow and lets me know that you guys like that type of content. So that really helps me out in the future. If you guys are looking for guitar builds in the Great Guitar Build-Off, you come to the right place. I promise I will actually show you guitar builds and not just trash talking between different competitors. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please let the other guys know that if you really want to do a real competition, you should check out KC Electrics. Thanks for your guys' time, and talk to you soon.